React is a JavaScript library which created by Facebook, and React is a mobile perspective always. So in this tutorial, I have divided into three parts. First of all, the settings of VS Code and coding. Secondly, deploy to the server, and lastly, upload files into the GitHub. So first of all, let me introduce you this project. This is a project for junior or senior developer who doesn't have any profile in React, Vite, and tailwind CSS. This is for computer version. This is totally responsive. If you have computer screen, then you can see these types of image here. There is a navigation bar here on the left hand side, and this is the sun and moon. If you click here, the color is going to be changed. Now you can see the dark color, and once you click once again in here, and then it will be light color comes out. Here is simple interaction like app developer and web developer, some UI design, user interface design. And second part is the timeline. Say for example, I have created YouTube content, web developers before I did some bootcamp, and when did I started first line of code. And the last part is contact form, and in the bottom there is a social networking links. If you click here, say for example the right hand side one, if you click, it's going to be show you this is my GitHub profile. So, and the second one is YouTube channel. If you click here, it's going to show you my YouTube channel. Yeah, here we go. This is my YouTube channel. So go back to next. This is my LinkedIn profile. It takes a couple of seconds. Here is my LinkedIn profile. Then going back, and the first one is Twitter. So if I click in the here, this icon, yeah, here we go. This is my Twitter. So it does work. We are not going to discuss about the Twitter or Facebook anything. So right now, if you, in the inspector tool, where is the inspector tool? Let me find out. Inspect, yeah, here. So we need to choose here for responsive and then make it smaller. Yeah, this is for mobile version. You can see a navigation icon. If you click in the navigator bar, you can see the homework and resume, contact, all the navigation bar here. Say for example, if you click here, and then it is going to going back, and the dark and moon and sun also same. If you click, make sure you have to click on the icon, and then any of the button, homework or resume, contact, go back, and then you click light and dark mode. Otherwise it won't work. Okay, so I write and tailwind CSS portfolio site. I'm not going to write all the code in here because you know it will take a couple of hours if I write all the each sentence of code here. But I will upload all the code in my GitHub, so you can clone from my GitHub. The source code is I'm going to share in the link below. So I'm going to tell little brief in here, like in the component folder, it has contact, footer, interaction, portfolio, portfolio item, side nav. You know, React is a JavaScript library which was created by Facebook, and React is also mobile perspective. That's why I have made mobile and computer responsive navbar for both. And the styling has, you can see here is a tailwind css. Tailwind has a wonderful feature, so I like tailwind for styling. In the data there is two file here, portfolio and timeline. Okay, and here is our main.js. This is our main.js, and last one is main.js. Sorry, that one is app.js, and last one is main.js. So deploy in custom domain. Basically, I use a couple of domains: Hostinger, Namecheap, GoDaddy, DreamHoster, and Bluehost as well. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use one host, or just only Hostinger. So first of all, open your terminal, new terminal. Just need to make sure that your Node.js is installed in your computer. npm run pip. Then it will take a couple of seconds. This is our live project. So in order to host, we need to create dist folder in here. Just we need to try npm run npm. It does not work. Open new terminal, it will be better. Make sure that your path is on the right directory. Say for example, mine is user I portfolio, so you will be different, not the same. npm run build. So in here right now we have nothing, right? There is no dist folder. Yeah, now we can see here there is a dist folder. It already has been created. In the dist folder there is a sh, index, and byte sbz. Those folder here. So let's go our server. This is Hostinger. There are few of my domain here, so I'm going to upload this in this domain, iPortfolio Online. This is my dashboard, and here go click here in the file manager, and then yeah, public HTML. Make sure that it has nothing. If it has something, you can please delete all those files here. It must be blank folder, I mean the empty folder. So let's upload. There are a couple of OA you can download. Folder folio dist. Yes, make sure that we have all folder in here. This is my custom domain here. Just click file manager and make sure that in public HTML belongs to file manager is empty. Okay, here we go. This is my public HTML. Here is nothing, right? The folder is empty. Basically, there are a couple of ways to you can upload the files into the Hostinger. The easiest one way is just go to the code editor, click and select those items in the dist folder, just drag and drop. Another easiest way is just go to the hostinger and upload file. Select and upload. Okay, right now one more file is missing, asset folder, right? That why that folder is missing, because this is file that was this folder. So choose the folder and asset. This is folder and upload. So it takes a couple of seconds. Okay, here we go. All done. Then make sure that if you don't forget to press in the refresh button. And if you go back to our dashboard, you can see that our custom domain name is iportfolio.online. So in our browser, type www dot. Yeah, it works. This is our live site. React, Byte, and tailwind CSS. If yeah, it works well. However, the mobile version, because we made it responsive, right? Instructor tool. This is for mobile. We don't need to see this one. And then there is a navigation bar here, navigation icon. Yeah, it goes well. If you click and it comes back. Okay, that oil works well. So I guess that's all for uploading custom domain. Next, we're gonna do how to upload in all the files into our GitHub. Yes. So in branch main origin master, that's fine. Branch main. Yes, it also works. Remote origin. Here we need to change the name. Add origin underscore GitHub. Enter. Okay. The last one is push. Here origin underscore GitHub. Hmm. We'll go back to our GitHub, make refresh. Yes, now it works. We can see our code right now here. That means it uploaded properly. Well, I guess that's all for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoy this tutorial and see you in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.